Imagine being able to sit down with one of the wealthiest people in the world and pick their brain on how they got to where they are presently. Well, in this video, we'll be doing just that. We'll be delving into the wisdom and insights of none other than Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha himself. So join us as we explore Buffett's critical advice for young people who want to be rich. Whether you're just starting out on your own financial journey or you're looking to take your wealth building to the next level, you don't want to miss this. So, keep up! Advice number 1. Be fearful when others are greedy. Be greedy when others are fearful. As a wise person once said, the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. If you want to achieve great things, you have to be willing to take risks and do things differently than everyone else. It's important to note that going against the tide doesn't mean being a rebel without a cause. Instead, it means being a critical thinker and doing your own research. Only by questioning the status quo can you find opportunities that others have missed. In Buffett's own words, be different, go against the tide, figure out what everyone is doing and do just the opposite. For context, if everyone is investing in the stock market, you could explore alternative investment options like real estate instead of following the crowd. By diversifying your investments, you'll have a better chance of success. When you're different, you're more likely to attract the attention of like-minded individuals who share your vision and values. This can lead to powerful connections and collaborations that can propel you forward in your personal and professional life. It's also worth noting that being different doesn't always mean being the odd one out. It can mean finding a unique way to approach a problem or challenge. Being different also means being true to yourself. It means pursuing your passions and not being afraid to be unconventional. If everyone around you is pursuing a traditional career path, but your dream is to become an artist or an entrepreneur, don't be afraid to follow your heart. This also helps you set yourself apart from the competition. So, if you're trying to land a job or start a business, being unique and innovative can make you stand out in a sea of candidates. By being different, you can create your own path to success and achieve great things that others can only dream of. Advice number 2. No matter how great the talent or efforts, some things just take time. According to Buffett, you can't produce a baby in 1 month by getting 9 women pregnant. This iconic analogy by the legendary investor suggests that some things cannot be rushed, and success is one of those things. It takes more than just raw talent or effort to achieve great things. It requires patience and perseverance. Imagine a farmer planting a seed in the ground. He waters it, nurtures it, and waits for it to grow. He doesn't expect the seed to sprout into a fully grown plant overnight. Similarly, you can't expect to become wealthy or successful overnight. It takes time and effort to build something of value. The number one reason why most people are poor and unsuccessful is because they lack patience and persistence. They give up too easily and expect immediate results. They want to get rich quickly, but the truth is that there are no shortcuts to success. Successful people understand that achieving their goals requires a long-term perspective. They know that success is not an overnight phenomenon but a result of consistent effort over time. They are willing to work hard even when the results are not immediate. So, as Buffett advises, if you want to be successful in life, you must be willing to endure the tough times and stay focused on your goals. Advice number 3. It is better to hang out with people who are better than you. In Buffett's opinion, it's better to hang out with people who are better than you. But his advice is not just limited to socializing with more successful or ambitious people than you. He also emphasizes the importance of being mindful of the behavior and habits of your associates. The people you surround yourself with can significantly impact your personality, habits, and ultimately, your success. Buffett believes in spending time with people who have positive attitudes, are motivated, and exude good energy. These people can be friends, family, or even co-workers. Positive energy is contagious, uplifting your mood and inspiring you to strive toward your goals. According to him, young people in particular are often unaware of who they spend their time with. They tend to be more social, so they may have a wider circle of acquaintances. However, it is crucial to be mindful of who you associate with, regardless of age. Buffett suggests a simple exercise to determine who you spend most of your time with. This exercise involves listing the people you spend the most time with and imagining where they will be in the next 5 years. If you don't like where they are headed, then it's likely that you'll end up there too. If you spend time with negative and demotivated individuals, you may become like them. Therefore, you must avoid negative influences and choose your friends wisely because you can't be better than those you associate with. Advice number 4. Risks come from not knowing what you are doing. Investing is a complex topic that can be daunting to many people. Getting caught up in the fear of losing money and being left with nothing is easy. But according to Warren Buffett, the risk often results from not understanding the market or not doing your research. If you are considering investing, you should take the time to learn about the different investment options available. You could start by looking into stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Each investment type comes with its own risks and benefits, so it's essential to understand how they work before deciding where to put your money. Similarly, starting a business can be risky if you don't understand what you're getting into. Researching the market, competition, and potential customers is essential before launching a new venture. You could conduct a feasibility study, create a business plan, or seek advice from experienced entrepreneurs. This will help you identify potential risks and develop a mitigation plan. By doing your due diligence and seeking out information, you can make informed decisions that will help you mitigate risks and increase your chances of success. Advice number 5. You won't keep control of your time unless you can say no. According to Buffett, if you take a moment to observe your surroundings, you'll find that there's a flurry of activity all around you, a constant barrage of distractions vying for your attention. Social media platforms like Facebook, TV shows, movies, and streaming services offer an enticing escape from reality, but all of these can easily turn into time-sucking black holes. Additionally, parties, concerts, and other social events occur at any given moment, each offering an opportunity to let loose and have fun. However, it's important to remember that indulging in too many of these activities can take a toll on our productivity and overall well-being. But it's not just external distractions that you need to guard against, but also internal ones. According to the legendary investor, your thoughts can sometimes become a distraction, especially if they are harmful or unproductive. So, by learning to say no to distractions, you can create more time in your life for the things that truly matter. And this could be anything from pursuing a passion project or hobby, spending more time with loved ones, or even just taking some much-needed downtime to recharge and rejuvenate yourself. Advice number 6. You don't have to be smarter than the rest. If you want to succeed, you must go above and beyond what everyone else is doing. And you have to do away with what society has been telling you about innate talents and IQ scores. Those things are as abundant as the grains of sand on a beach. In Buffett's opinion, you could have a mind surpassing Einstein's, but you'll never reach the top without discipline, practice, dedication, and persistence. So look around you. There are thousands of brilliant people with IQs of 200 who are completely broke because they lack the grit to turn their intelligence into success. So, if you're willing to work hard and sweat it out, nothing can stop you from achieving your dreams. It won't be easy, but nothing worth having ever is. Advice number 7. Break the chain of unhealthy habits. In Buffett's own words, the chains of habit are too light to be felt until they are too heavy to be broken. The power of habits is often underestimated. They start as small actions that we do without much thought, but as time passes, they become a part of our routine and identity. Imagine a person struggling with addiction, trying to quit their bad habits. They may have started with some experimentation, but now they feel trapped and helpless, yearning for someone to rescue them. The weight of their addiction has become too heavy to bear, and it seems impossible to escape. Once you become a slave to your bad habits, it's challenging to break free. So, according to the seasoned investor, the best thing you can do with your life is to avoid bad habits altogether. Instead, focus on cultivating healthy habits that bring joy, fulfillment, and growth. It's like planting a seed that grows into a beautiful tree, providing shade and nourishment for years to come. So choose your habits wisely and be mindful of their consequences. Advice number 8. Enjoy your work and work for whom you admire. A staggering 85% of people across the globe are unhappy with their jobs, according to a recent statistic released by the Gallup poll study. This statistic may be attributed to a number of factors, including workplace culture, job security, lack of recognition, and limited growth opportunities. However, according to Buffett, job satisfaction is vital to overall well-being, and pursuing a career that aligns with your interests and passions is crucial. After all, you will spend a significant portion of your adult life working, and making this time meaningful and fulfilling is essential. Creating a career you enjoy may require significant effort, but it is undoubtedly worth it. Imagine waking up every day excited to go to work and tackling projects that inspire and challenge you. When you enjoy your job, it feels less like work and more like a passion project. You are more motivated to give your best effort and achieve outstanding results. Remember, becoming rich is not just about making money. It's about developing a mindset that allows you to make smart decisions and take calculated risks. Warren Buffett's inspiring advice can guide you as you navigate your way toward financial freedom. So don't just dream of riches. Take action today and implement these valuable lessons. Who knows? Maybe someday you'll sit in the shade, enjoying the fruits of your labor and inspiring others to follow in your footsteps. Which of these pieces of advice did you find the most compelling? Let us know your answers in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel.